Welcome to Rebel Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. Thank you all for listening. The President Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government, the Nigerian Police Force, and the Department of State Service have been dragged before an economic community of West African state court over the death of a 14-year-old girl who was shot dead during the Yoruba Nation rally in Lagos State. A civil society law foundation filed a suit in the ECOWAS court seeking the court to award $1 billion damages against the government entities to be paid to the deceased parents. The suit is challenging the legality of banning all peaceful protests by the federal government of Nigeria through the police, the DSS, and other security agencies in Nigeria. A human rights lawyer, Chief Patrick Eholo, filed the suit for the group, seeking an order of the court directing the Lagos State of Nigeria and the mentioned security agencies to pay the money to the family for the inconveniences and damages. The suit reads that due to the threat by policemen of Lagos State, a young girl was killed by the policemen by live bullets in their quest to clamp down on protestants during the Yoruba Nation rally on July 3rd in the Ogota area of the state. An order directing the defendant and its agents and the Lagos State of Nigeria to provide effective remedies and reparation of $1 billion to the family of the deceased, including adequate compensation, restitution, satisfaction, or guarantees of non-repetition that the Honorable Court may deem fit to grant the human rights defendants, activists, bloggers, journalists, and other online and offline media practitioners that have been harassed, intimidated, unlawfully arrested, detained, and unfairly prosecuted by the defendants because of lawful protest through the criminalization of same by the Nigerian government. The suit also asks the court to order the government to stop the intimidation, suppression, harassment, killing, and shooting of peaceful protestants arrested and locked up in different security agencies, cells all over Nigeria by the various Nigeria state security agencies. The group added that the action of Nigerian government was in variance to Section 24, which guarantees the right to freedom of expression and information in Article 8 and 9 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. Recall that armed police officers led by Commissioner of Police Hakeem Odumosun had shot and killed Jumoke while trying to disperse the Yoruba Nation agitators at Ojota. So guys, what do you think about this news? The suit is challenging the legality of banning all peaceful protests by the federal government of Nigeria through the police, the DSS, and other security agencies. $1 billion has been demanded from the government for the killing of the teenage girl during Yoruba Nation rally, and also the group is claiming that people cannot and should never be shut up for any rally. They said it is the right of the people to express their freedom and that it is not the right of DSS or any police to shut people's mouths from doing or saying what is right, that individual has right of speech. So guys, let's know your own thoughts concerning this news. Please drop your comments at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and continue to follow up on this channel for more updates. Thank you all for listening.